everybody, it's Jameson. Okay, I'm gonna do an unboxing, and this one's a special one. First, I have to say I'm sorry about the fan noise. I'm gonna have to talk over that a little bit, but it is 87 degrees in my garage already, and so here comes the heat, and it's super humid, and so I'm just trying to be out here and survive it. So, sorry about the fan noise. This is the sweetest thing. I had somebody who watches the videos reach out to me and say, hey, I love what you're doing. I like the videos that you're sharing. I remember what it was like not to have a vitrograph kiln, and I was going through some of my scrap and thought I would send you some pieces. So I have no idea what's in here, and that's just sweet. I just love this glass community. I love our online community. I will do something with this and pay it forward. I might, use something to, I don't know, make a gift or, maybe a donation item for an auction or something. So let's just see what I have. Okay, the fan and my the fan and my peanuts might not, I said peanuts, might not work here. Hang on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to kill the fan for now. Let's just see what I got. Now this person also said, hey, it's nothing very special, it's just something, but you know what, all of this is special, and it was a gift, which I think is super nice. Oh, what is she talking about? I can already see. This is beautiful. I do someday, when I'm got my big boy glass pants on, I want to have a vitrograph kiln, but I'm gonna need a lot more space to do something like that. Would love to pull my own cane, would love to play around with some Murini. Okay, this is really just awesome. Little piece of what looks like maybe spring green, olive green there. This is just gonna be random pieces, she said, that she was going through. Look at that twisty. Let's see, can you see that? I wanna make sure you can see this. It's hard for me to even see in the camera. Yeah, check that out. Isn't that nice? I love the greens and blues are my color, and that's exactly what that is. Look at that. That's really cool. This has some aventurine in it. I hope that you're seeing this. I don't know about this camera sometimes, but it's got some aventurine, a strip of aventurine right through the middle there. This looks cool. Look at that. I love it. I love it so much. Some grays and dark. It's not black. I don't think there's black in there, but like a deep gray. I love it. Oh, this is just so cool. I'm so excited. This looks like a Harry Potter wand to me. Awesome piece there. I'm gonna have so much fun with these. Another piece. Look at I mean, this just looks floral to me. It looks like a stem. This is really cool with that twist in it. So awesome. It's kind of a deep red color. Another piece with some perhaps woodland brown, maybe cinnabar or something in there. I don't know my bullseye colors by heart, so that one's cool. Oh, check out that orange stripe. That's really cool. That's a cool shape. See, these are just gonna be fun to play with. Another cool twisty green piece. This was so nice. I just, again, take care of each other, people. Be nice to each other. Sometimes I see comments online and I think, wait, do what your mom told you. If you can't say something nice, don't say something at all. And this goes way beyond kind words. This is a really sweet gesture. I offered to pay for the shipping and she refused. So again, I will pay it forward. Look at that bulb, that's cool. I will pay it forward and do something nice. So lots of little pieces. I'm digging because I want to get to this piece. Look at that. That is such a sweet color. And that bulb on there is really cool. There's another one similar to that in here. Looks like it's a hollow. It's got some neat color to it. There's a little bit of stripe to it. You can't see that, I'm sure. Oh, look at this. Isn't that fun? So just think of all the fun stuff that you can do with a box like this. I'm so grateful. I'm not gonna post a link. I don't think this person sells. This is really just, somebody was super nice to me and I wanted to share. Oh, this is beautiful. See that? Look at that. I just wanted to share. And it's been a while since I've done a video. Somebody commented and asked if I was okay. let me tell you, I'm doing fine. I'm doing great, actually. You remember the bluebonnet piece that I did a couple of videos ago? Somebody posted that on a Bluebonnets of Texas page on Facebook, and it kind of went viral. So I've been so busy just making glass and fulfilling orders, and now they're starting to arrive at people's houses. So I'm getting messages about how excited they are, how beautiful it is, which just warms my heart when people get a piece of my artwork and react that way. Look at all of this amazing vitrograph. I'm just in awe. Another one of these curly cues. That is so cool. I'm in awe of this person's generosity. Oh, there's more down here. It just goes on and on. These are so neat. All right, so thank you to all of my followers. I appreciate that you support me like you do and watch my videos. And I realize there are ads, and you know, that's just kind of the way it goes with YouTube and being free. I will have some more videos coming up. I'll obviously try to figure out what to do with some of this. This is gorgeous. Thank you. You know who you are. You're super sweet. I can't thank you enough. This is going to be fun, and you'll see some of this in future pieces. Look at this. Look at that. That's a big old piece. Check that out. So anyway, and then I'm working on, here, I'll give you a little sneak peek of, is it under here? Yeah, I'm going to make a framed American flag piece. So that's one of the videos I'll work on soon. So you can kind of see that. Okay, everybody, hope you're doing well. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love to have you in the subscriber list. I haven't done a video in almost 3 weeks now because I've been so busy, but I'll get back to it here soon. And I've got quite a library now of videos you can go back through. Appreciate everybody. Hope you're doing really well. Love you. Love each other. Do this kind of stuff for somebody. Really makes their day. Thanks, everybody. Bye.